Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! Hope, honey, make a wish for everybody.
I hope everybody has a healthy, happy, and fulfilling 2026.
Tonight's dinner, guys, we have our steak. Here is our steak and our mushroom. So it's just steak and mushroom and scallop. So we're gonna have that for tonight for Christmas Eve, guys. Now we are going to prepare our dinner. Guys, it's time to make our dinner for tonight, Christmas Eve. We're gonna season this with just salt and pepper. Okay? Just salt and pepper. Oh, and also garlic salt. Where is my garlic salt? Garlic salt is here. Alright, so we're gonna season this in. I just want it like simple. Salt and pepper. And let's do the other side. Pepper. Adding salt, kosher salt. So, we are going to season and we're going to prepare our onion and garlic minutes before we cook them. Okay, so that later on it's gonna be ready to get our onion and garlic. We're just gonna cut them. Right, our onion and garlic is ready, guys. Jingle bell, jingle bell. So next is we are going to wash our mushroom. Our mushroom is right here. Let's wash this one. Washing through the snow. Washing through the snow. The oil. We're gonna cook the mushroom and the onion first. Alright, guys, let's start cooking our mushroom. And we're just gonna reheat it later whenever we are ready to eat. Mushroom. Our mushroom is now ready, almost done. So it's time to put our onion. Our onion. It's almost done, so we're just gonna season this with garlic salt and black pepper. A little bit of taste. Done when the onion is almost done. So it's our mushroom and onion. Taste the onion and mushroom. Nope, alright, let's taste it again. Salt, pepper again, and deep fry. Pinch of salt. Don't put so much because the garlic salt is already. Ow! That's right, guys. It's our scallop. So we are going to cook our scallop. Butter. Guys, our mushroom and onion is already done. So let's set this aside. Perfect. There's our scallop. We're going to cook our scallop in the same pan. We're gonna put butter. It's time to cook our steak. Next, our scallop is ready. Time to cook the steak. Oh, wow, smells good. That's gonna be. We are going to sear. The scallop is done, so we are going to set this aside. In 2 minutes is ready. So it's time to. Our garlic. Look at that. Not ready to flip. It's Steak for about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright guys, our steak is ready. Now let our steak because I want mine to cook medium rare. So let's try to flip. My husband wants it's not supposed to be medium rare. Mine is medium rare. The scallop. So here is our steak. I'm so hungry. It's time to eat. And I'm so excited to eat, guys. Here's my dinner. Mushroom, steak, onion, and scallop. Scallop, dip it in the put the onion and the mushroom. Butter and side. Powder onion. No, garlic and garlic powder. Oh, perfect. Let's eat, honey. Here is my steak. Yummy. And I have here my Jamaican drink. This one with steak. Shrimp and snow crab leg. And the steak is good. Scallop is good.
Scallop's really good.
And I love garlic too. This one is a garlic. Yeah, this one, scallop is the best. I like shrimp too.
Scallops are better than snow crab legs, in my opinion. That scallop